JunkGuysdfw.net, guys. What's up? It's Ricardo, and I'm going to another job right now. So, this job was... The gentleman actually called me yesterday and booked the job for today. It is Wednesday, of course. It is in the afternoon, guys. I'm getting here at around 1 o'clock. I think it's about 1, yeah. 1 o'clock. And he wants me to remove a sectional couch, a small couch, and 3 dog cages. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna get into, but I told him around 200, 250 bucks, okay? That's what I told him. I told him why he's getting rid of the couches, and he said because his dogs got into them. And I said, what do you mean? He like ate them? And he said, no, they just got all over them. So I'm imagining that the dogs started sleeping on the couches and messed up, and he started to tell me that he left out of town for a week, left dog food open for them, and water jugs all over the place. So these dogs stayed inside his apartment by themselves for a week? I can imagine how bad it is, guys. Let's get on with it. Let's go over to this guy's house and let's check it out. I'm gonna do a shoulder cam. I don't have my head cam, so because I lost it, so I'm gonna put the camera on my shoulder here, and we're just gonna run in and see what happens. But here we go. Let's enjoy this one. This is a head cam video. Couches. It's gonna be a shit show. This is not gonna come out good. I hate this. Apartment complex in Dallas, Texas. Here comes the head cam. Let's go. It'll be easier. You just wake up or something?
Yeah, I didn't sleep last night.
Yeah, your hair looks like shit, man.
Yeah.
Go!
Final age.
That's funny.
My dogs destroyed it.
Destroyed it. They're good at that. Go ahead. I don't know where I'm going. Holy cow, dude, you live far.
Yeah. That's what closest for.
Shit. Nice smell in here. Holy
The dogs.
fuck. That's bad, bro.
Sorry, take me through this to clean everything.
You lived here?
Unfortunately, yes.
With that smell?
Yep. That's why I call you guys.
That's fucking absolutely horrible.
You know what's more horrible? This apartment don't have any windows.
You just let them shit everywhere. What were you doing?
I was not here. I have to go to school from 8 to 8. And I have 3 dogs.
You don't have a girlfriend either.
I have a girlfriend.
She let you
She let it happen. Most of the time I live in my house.
This fucking nasty, bro.
Yeah. Let's see what you can do.
Fuck, you need some bleach.
Mine is larger.
We'll see. Let's get all this stuff out of the way. How many dogs do you have? Where are they?
Take care.
Push him over there. Push me to the corner. I'll push him in the corner with this thing. That's dog crap all over the place. Jesus fuck. Well, that's a sectional, dude.
Yeah.
That's not it. That's. And you slept here in this house?
Most of the time, no.
God, fuck, it's horrible in here, man. I don't know how you did it, dude.
need a hand, I will take this part.
Yeah, you're gonna help me out then. Fuck it. We have 2 dollies. What else am I taking? Just the 2 couches?
And also...
Oh, fuck. Let's see what happens when something's connected these 2 together. There it is. And let's do this really easy. We'll do it as easy as it can, okay? Mm-hmm. Let's take that and then take that piece, okay?
Okay.
And then we'll start. We're gonna make 3 trips. You need a new girlfriend.
I need a new trainer for my dog.
Dude, you need everything, dude. Those dogs are horrible. I can't believe you let them shit everywhere, dude.
I send my dog to the trainer every single fucking year, spend like $2,000.
Maybe you need to not get dogs. How about that? That's a bad case, man. I've never seen anything like that. I've done some shit.
No worth like that?
Not like that, brother. Not where someone's living like that. I've seen it where the people moved, but not where you're living.
Hold it.
Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Okay.
That's what happened in 1 week.
That's 1 week? Who was fucking feeding them? 3 dogs. What kind of dogs are they?
German Shepherds.
All of them?
2 of them.
2 of them and the other one?
Beagle.
And which is the one that shitted all over the place? The beagle?
It's a big German Shepherd.
Oh, I see. You're a bad dog. Shitter. Shit all over the place, dude. Where are you from anyway? What nationality are you? But you're Asian.
Yeah.
What are your parents?
My parents from China.
Huh?
My parents from China.
China?
Yeah.
And where are they at now?
US.
If they saw your apartment like this, what would they say to you?
Luckily they will kill me.
They'll kill you, dude. My mom saw it like this. Bro, she would never let me come back home. Open that door.
You want me to take the pillow with you?
No, we're gonna rig it. Holy fuck. This is the worst display of dog shit I've ever seen in someone's apartment. This dude lives here. And there's absolutely dog crap all over the place. It is horrible, horrible. The smell in this place, absolutely devastating. It's a loss of humanity. It's a loss of humanity. I'm going off. So I'm going, we brought all the couches downstairs. We put them in the bay doors, I don't know, outside the freight elevator. And I'm just gonna load them into my trailer. Because at this point, the smell has gotten to me. I just want to get the fuck out of here. Absolutely horrific smell. Just devastating of a smell. So I'm gonna start loading stuff into my trailer. Not bad, huh? I love cash. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That was difficult. I couldn't get out of that parking garage. That has to be the worst dog feces I've ever seen. This guy let his dog just shit anywhere for the last 2 weeks. You know, at one time he told me 2 weeks, and then one time he told me 1 week, and I know it was more than 2 weeks, but it was just awful. It was degrading, awful to let your dog just shit anywhere in your apartment without even caring. Wow, man. And he was living there. The smell of that place, awful. Awful. There was shit everywhere. There was shit everywhere in that house. Just it was all the humanity in that house, man. It was disgusting. I can't believe that someone would let their dogs just do that. That was so gross. Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna do a video, guys. If I don't do a video, I'm gonna end it here. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe over there to the right side. On the left side, check out my other videos. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye bye.